In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a master task management database in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible system for capturing tasks, organizing priorities, and seeing exactly what needs your attention today. Start by opening a new Notion page. Type Table and select Table View. When the table appears, click plus New Database and name it Master Tasks. This will be your central hub for everything you need to do, no matter the context. Next, let's set up the key properties that make this database powerful. Add a checkbox property and rename it to Done. This gives you a simple way to mark tasks complete. Add a date property and rename it Due Date, which helps you set clear deadlines. Create a select property called Priority, with options like High, Medium, and Low, so you can focus on what matters most. Add another select property called Area, with options like Work, Personal, and Side Project, to separate different parts of your life. Finally, create a select property for status, using values such as Not Started, In Progress, and Done. Status shows where a task stands, while the Done checkbox is your definitive completion toggle. With your properties in place, let's configure views to keep things tidy. Create a to-do view as either a list or a board, and add a filter so it only shows tasks where Done is unchecked. Make a calendar view using the Due Date property to see deadlines on a timeline. Build a Kanban board grouped by statuses to visualize progress from Not Started to Done. And add an archive view that filters for tasks where Done is checked, so completed work stays accessible but out of your way. To add context and light automation, create a second database called Projects. In Master Tasks, add a relation property that links to projects. Now you can assign any task to a specific project and easily roll tasks up under a project page. Set up a today view by filtering tasks where due date is today, which gives you a daily focus list. For recurring work, create database templates like a weekly review pre-filling fields such as priority, area, and status to save time. Finally, build a simple dashboard. Make a new homepage page, type /linked, and choose Linked View of Database. Select your Master Tasks database and filter it to show just urgent or today's tasks. This creates a clean command center you can check every morning. Thanks for watching.